But how has the advent of the social media 24/7 landscape changed the way you go about doing your business, affected your company per se?
So that's actually a real positive, another positive. In the past, again, we'd have very traditional ways to promote a book or to really talk about the nuance of what's in a book in terms of whether it's for knowledge, for learning, or even for pleasure. And now you're in an opportunity where, and also the other piece is much of how we distribute is through intermediaries, right? Through bookstores, through online retailers, through institutional or academic libraries. So because of that, we weren't necessarily able to reach the customer as deeply as we would have liked, and now we can. Now through social media, you can really advertise and promote the lessons in a book, the main themes in a book, the great fun that you may have by reading a book, or, and I say a book, but it goes the same for whether it's an assessment or a learning course or and so forth. Content marketing is a real opportunity. So no longer do you just have content that's available in the product, you can actually use that to reach audience through social media. There's something called search engine optimization. SEO is very important. So as publishers, we work with our authors, our partners, to make sure that we're distributing content that will be out there in a free model that will help promote the book or the mission or whatever, again, whatever the message is coming out for that, from that particular author.